What's up, guys? I'm Blue Slimy. Today I'm gonna make a new video. I'm gonna start a hardcore survival. It's loading. Ooh. Like in the first video, I couldn't talk because I didn't have a microphone. But today I can talk for videos. Alright, we're loading in. Alrighty. I'm loading in. Loading. Alrighty. I'm in. Alright, we're gonna do single player. Create a new world. Let's do vid hardcore. Oh, vid hardcore. Let's do hardcore. Create a new world. Alright, desert biome. Right, we have a beautiful tree. Holy lag. Ooh, this is such a tree. Right, I'll probably have enough wood for now. Let's do this and this. Oh, damn. Let's just start with a pickaxe. Alright. Let's see if I can find some stone. Right now I don't find any stone. Oh, found some. Alrighty. Gonna make stone tools with it. I'm not gonna use X-ray because I have that. But it's hardcore, it's fun without. Alrighty. That's enough stone. Alrighty. Probably gonna need more sticks. Yes, like that. Alrighty. Just like that. I have now stone tools. There's a phantom. Didn't even know that. Alright. I'm not gonna step on the play for sure. I could find diamonds. That's a lot of damage. We could use this for later for ancient debris. Yes, hello. Ooh, iron, let's go. always useful for books. Emeralds for trading. No, I'll take this for some food. They'll probably don't have any food. Alrighty. The bones for something I need. Then for sure gonna grab a real little bit of this. Alright. Oops, I wasted one sand. Alright. I'll probably look for a plains biome. I'll see y'all when I find one. Right guys, I came across a village not far from the temple right there. No plains, but wait one sec. Alright. Grabbing this for sure. Oh, and see jungle as well. Finally some food. Right. No, they have nothing. At least I'm gonna have an iron golem. If I don't mess this up. Holy fuck. He's too far away. I need to do it. I'm gonna do it for sure. Oh, not missing anything. Alrighty. How much I got from that? Wait. I had 1 iron from temple. I'm gonna look it up. Can you get 12 iron from iron golem? Wait. Did we get more in the temples? Because I calm. Good. I couldn't have used creative or something. I don't even know. Like same blocks like last time. I'm questioning myself now. Because you can get max 5. So it should be like... Wait, did we get 8 from the temple? I'll look at the video after this real quick. Gonna loot up, take a bet for sure. I'm gonna craft first some food, I'm hungry. Right, 40 bread. Grabbing this for sure if I need a enchanted table. Alrighty. I've got 19. I see a few over there. I still need plains biome. So I'll have to look, but first I'm grabbing all this sugar cane. Alrighty. Maybe. Oh, is that a plane biome? Because I see Oakwood. Did I put? Yeah, I did it off. Wait, can you get visual thing on Java? Java or not? I don't even know that. If you can, might be just Bedrock, but. Alright, I'll grab my bed in first place. Just if something is gonna spawn. Because I know there's spare zombies. And I don't want to die because of that. Alright. Look. There's one. This one is because we got that from the temple. Is that a plains biome? Wait, we were there. It's here. Yes, it is. A small one, I think. Oh, never mind. I see more. Alright, this is good. Have a plains biome. I'll probably make a base. Maybe mine a bit. Grabbing some wood. Alrighty. Alright, chickens, don't care about that. I just need the leather. How much I got? 8. How much bookshelf is that? Or how many books is 8 books? I hear something. Let's try to tame it. Oh, another one. Let's go. Let's go, another one. No way, no way, no way. Please tell me. This is one of the best protection I could use. Hello there. He might not. On the last one, what is the chance? 3 dogs, pretty good. Ooh, pigs. I need that for food. How did I do that? I could just do that. Look at that, look at them. Look, I'm pretty safe with them. Bro. Sorry for the background noise. I'm gonna look for a spot for the base first. Why is he growling? I'll probably make a base like, no, it's too close to the desert. I will not risk that for sure. Oh, let me see where we at. Oh, that took a big damage. Oh, I clipped it. Oh my days. Alrighty. Last cow. but I have probably enough. Wait, 15 for 15 bucks. No, I'm far from good enough. I think I'm gonna make my base around here. Oh, I saw that. Oh yeah, grabbing that for sure. And I already have now 2 levels then for the enchanted table, but we need obsidian, 1 book, and 2 diamonds. Alright. First I'm gonna make some. Ooh. Look guys, I'm not cheating for sure, right? Because look, we were there. Just see this now. We could use this then for thing, alrighty. I'm gonna plant the sugarcane, the point right when I'm making the base. What can you even do with this? I think small stuff like make potions. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, good to know, good to know, good to know. Alright, I'm gonna make my base there. Because it's not too far away from the desert, not too far away from everything. I'm gonna need for sure totems, but in a next film, not in this one. Because otherwise it's gonna be a too long vid. I'm gonna do my base that I normally make, but then in the other wood. Because otherwise I need spruce, and I don't have that. I'm gonna plant these. So I don't need to worry about having no, alrighty, about not having enough of this. Because sugarcane is something that's really expensive to use. Alright, a bit of sand, good for this. If everything grows, I have probably 1.5 stacks, so planting as much as I can. Alrighty, so that's planted. I'm gonna make my base. I'm gonna probably need more wood and everything. Let's start by destroying this. Alright, I'm gonna grab some wood. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna craft real quick more sticks, and then probably it is this. So pickaxe acquired, axe acquired, and a sword acquired. I think I'm gonna leave that iron for now, and I'm gonna begin chopping some wood for probably 1 or 2 stacks, so I can make a good base, not too good. Alright. Alright, see guys, I have now 1 stack. Let's see what I can do already with 1 stack. Like maybe a little bit of the frame. I hope so. Problem is gonna be when I'm going like in the nether, that I don't lose my base. So I'm gonna need to write down the coordinates. I know where I'm at. I'm gonna do the small one, not the too big. 3. Alright, 3. Right, I see it's coming. It's literally nighttime already. Let me see real quick. 1, 2. Look, I always make it in spruce, but I don't have a spruce forest acquired right now. So it's gonna be oak logs. 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, did I mess up? No, right? Oh yeah, I did. Yes, E 1, 2. Damn. That's sad. I just saw it now. Gonna place it down where it needs to be. Right. Start with destroying the wrong pieces. See, sometimes I mess up, sometimes not. Holy voice crack. Alright, placing this here. I'm gonna probably need to mine a few more logs, because this is just the frame of the stand. Oops, the one too much. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna probably need 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Yes, now we did it. This is one of the most expensive parts, so that's why I think I'm gonna need more wood for sure. I see it now already. I don't even know if I'm gonna be done with the frame. Nope. I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I'll see. Got 2 stacks and not 1. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need another one. Nothing grew. Oh, 1 grew in the meanwhile. Right. Gonna put my dogs down here. Right, they're all not in the way then. Alright. So this is the entrance. Gonna start with that first. 3, 4. Alright. So this is gonna be the door. Gonna do it a little bit like always. Yeah, see, I might need to mine more, because I see my first stack is almost done for it. I'm gonna need wood planks as well. Wait. needed 3 for that. Damn. Wait, just doing like this. Alright. Now the base layer is done. I'm gonna need to do it again, but one higher, so I don't hit my head the whole time. Alrighty. Damn, I messed this up. A little bit of parkour. Alrighty. Yeah. Ah, damn, that hurt it really bad. I don't know why I mined it with my pickaxe. It's almost night. Like literally, I call it night, yes. Alrighty. Almost. Oh yeah, I see. Damn, I'm gonna need more. Cause his is gonna be 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around 10. And then to fill it in, this is gonna take so long. I'll see y'all in a bit when I get half a stack. Or no, I'm gonna go because I found 21 logs. I didn't want to mine more because my axe broke and I needed to make a new one. I'm gonna do this a cheap version of it. Alright. I'm doing the floor with it. Alright, I'm gonna need probably way more wood, but by the way, I did the sounds of the rain away because it was annoying me. I'm not gonna be able to finish this as well, so annoying. I'm gonna need a little bit more. I see this is growing as well. I don't like to chop like the rest of that, look, because I can't reach it. I don't use my time for that. I'm just mining, so I'm doing the expensive way. I'm already mining, so why do I need to do the cheap way if I'm already mining? It's gonna be hella expensive for logs. Like literally gonna need to use around 1 more stack and then I'll be good to go. Then I'm gonna need furnaces, sand, like I need hella more. But I'm just gonna start with normal base, then go up to the sand. Alrighty. I might already have enough wood. Right, 40? That's gonna be good enough. I hope so. Because I don't want to mine more. And I'm gonna need a farm, but that's gonna be in the next video where I'm gonna make a good big farm. Right, one goes in. For now at least. Look, I'm already down to almost half of it. I'm gonna need something. Alrighty, could have done this already. Yeah, I'm gonna need more. The frame is almost done. Just one more block and then I'm gonna need to mine a bit again. I hope my mouse doesn't die, because I see my mouse light is flickering, that the battery is almost dead. I'll start with a door. Wait, I don't even need this whole place here. I'm gonna need more wood. Damn. Alrighty. Cause like, oh, that's gonna use so much wood. Let's just start with one oven as well. And placing these in the corner. Wait, no, I'm gonna do that. There's more. Wait, one. Yes, it needs to be here. And then crafting going to be here. Don't care, it's gonna be expensive. Alright, now that's done. Just need more ovens. I can fill that roof in. I have a dry spot now. Alright, just gonna dig down. sorry for the background. So, getting a upgrade is probably the stone tools, iron, sleeping, taming my dogs, getting some obsidian, and iron pickaxe. Wait 1 sec. Alrighty. Gonna need 5 ovens. 5 times 8 is 4D stone. Oh no, I already have. Wait for 4 times 8 is 30. No. Yeah, 32. Oh, I already have enough. Getting this. Oh, sorry guys. That's gonna need to be in the vid. I'm trying to get as less of that screen as possible. Why do I even crouch? Right, the floor is done. Or not completely, but for now, because I'm gonna need some barrels. But that's in the next vid that I'm upgrading this base. Because I'm too... grabbing away. Half a stack probably. Sorry for the background noise. I can't do anything against it, so... I'm gonna see. That's 60 planks. 18 times 18. 20. It's 36 times 12 is 24. It's around 50 wood. So I have enough wood. That's what I know. Alrighty. I'm gonna need a shovel as well for the windows. I forgot these 4, but I grabbed a little more than that, so no need to worry about that. By the way, sorry for my mouse noise. I have a really loud mouse. Jeez, I can't get my words out of me. I'm gonna need coal as well for my sand. Wait. So 9 is 18. Right, firstly, let's start with doors. So no one can get in. Alrighty. Sorry for the background. Alrighty, following these up. Alright. gonna need one more bed. Right, 1, 2, 3. It's 9 times is 18, 36. Is 64 glass. Alright. Gonna just do this real quick. I have already 2 sand. We're gonna need coal as well, so yes, sand. Luckily we have a desert near. Bye. Alright. So stack. Just mining stack. Oh, this goes so fast with the iron chopper. Alright, got 1 stack already. But I'm gonna need to mine for some coal. I'm gonna start a small mine around here. Alrighty. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need torches as well. Probably gonna get around this height. Oh damn, you don't even see anything on the screen. It's like so dark. Wait, I know something. That's better. How didn't I still find coal? Right guys, I've been mining for 10 minutes, still didn't find anything. Hope I get some. It's like hella rare right now. Oh yes, finally coal. Alrighty. Oh, that's stone, that's andesite. There we go. How many is in this? Damn. I'm gonna get some levels as well. Wait. How many is this? Alright, this is the max, alrighty. Got 20. 20 is 4 in each. Or no. Yeah, 4 in each. Just 4 times. Look, I've just been mining like that. And that. Then saw I'm a bit too high up. So mine a little bit down. Look. So if there's something nearby. And then just found that light there. Oh, my inventory is full. I'm gonna do so much projects in this thing, in this hardcore world. Gonna make a lot of things. Oh, that's a crafting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Alright. Oh. Alright, and this one then for this. And now I'm gonna sleep. Alright. This is like the most queenie. Gonna take one out of each. Alright. Except for that one. Gonna make some torches. 16. I'll light it up a bit. Alrighty. And then one hit. I'm gonna make here soon a place for my dogs. And I'm still gonna need a name for them. Maybe I'll put slabs around there. Yeah, I'm gonna do some slabs. So this is for the dogs. Sorry for the background noise. Right now I'm gonna do a little wooden floor so they don't have to sit on like grass. Sorry guys for the background. I can't do anything against it. Background is background. Alrighty. Wait, I'll hold him to put the volume a little down. This is like going way quicker than that. Alright, they're like underneath a roof now. Putting a torch here. Gonna look or check out this classes. All done. And the beef done as well. Alrighty, so I have a stack right now. I'll probably have a bit too much. Yes, I knew it. That's so annoying and a full inventory. Alrighty. That's one. That's the second window. these in. Normally I do black glass, but I forgot how to get black dye. I think it's the squids you need to use for black dye. Don't know for sure, but alrighty. I've got enough. Got windows now. I'm gonna drop some stuff I don't need. We don't need that, we don't need that. Armor, I don't need that. 1 sand leaf thing. String, maybe. Right, this not. Gonna grab a few wood for a few chests. Like a couple of wood. Not too much, not too less. Alrighty. So I can get a few chests. That's like around 44 wood. 44, 5 chests. Oh damn, I just wasted my time of that. We need 6. Alright, now we would... Yeah, exact enough. For 6 chests. Oh yeah, but I needed 1. To finish my doghouse. For now, doghouse. I'm gonna probably change it in a bit. Now this vid, I'm gonna make a vid for that. So 12 wood. You back off a bit. I'm gonna give them a little window as well, so they can see a bit. This is just for now. So gonna do like so mobs don't get it in easily. Gonna do slabs for the rest, but not now. Alrighty. I have now that. And just like I thought. 6 chests. Whoa. That wasn't smart. I need 2 chests more. So 2 chests is 16 wood. Alrighty, dang, I forgot about that. Sorry for the background noise. Alrighty, I'm back. Still sorry for background noise. It's gonna be for a while. And I can't cut it out of the video because I could allow my own voice when I was talking. So that's that. Alrighty. Gonna need to chop that down as well. Sorry. Right, I get so annoyed, but I don't care. Alright, wait, I needed to. Yes, I needed to. For now, gonna put on a bit of this that we could use for more projects. Now I'm gonna finish up my dog house. Alright, look, I just need these 3 items for the house. Alrighty. We're gonna do this. No, it's gonna be... This is so hard. Alrighty, so doing that. Alright, I still have one of this. Making sure no one gets in. No, it makes it ugly. Alrighty. Putting down like a flower next to it. Alright guys, I hope you have had fun watching this video, and I'll see you in it.